In this video, we listed the 5 best scissor jacks. I made this list based on my personal opinion in our research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. I have included options for every type of consumer, so if you are looking for the best product, money can buy well the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the check links in the description down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Starting at number 1. Atliprime Electric Scissors Floor Jack Set. This is the best scissor jacks in 2020 that comes with a large capacity of 5 tons. It is highly efficient as it operates with a 12 volts vehicle outlet. Additionally, within a few minutes, you can lift any SUV vehicle or any car within a couple of minutes. The best thing about this product is that it comes with all the necessary accessories that you need to lift your car and change the tire. These useful extras save you from extra expenses that you would otherwise incur when purchasing them. You will love the extreme safety and stability of this best scissors jack that is mainly facilitated by the flat tooth design it comes with. Additionally, it has a thickening steel plate of high quality, which gives it an anti-oxidation body. Hence, the product is wear resistant and cannot rust, giving it superior durability. At number 2. E-Heelp Electric Car Floor Jack Set. Looking for a heavy-duty scissor jacks on the market? Well, this E-Heelp product is all you are searching for, as it features a thickened steel material which is highly durable. It is also a product that is very stable, and this is mainly because of its compact triangle design. With its space-saving design, this product does not require a lot of space during use and when not in use. It is well known for being efficient and powerful, as it can support up to 3 tons. The scissors jack works very fast, as it only takes less than a couple of minutes. Therefore, this implies that it is ideal for roadside repairs and tire change. Additionally, this car jack is waterproof, and this means that it can be used on rainy days. With the steel material that it is made from, this car jack is rust resistant and corrosion free, as it may be exposed to moisture and air. At number 3. Best Equip Electric Car Jack. Are you looking for a time-saving electric scissor jacks? This product is powerful enough to save a lot of time. It also comes with a lifting capacity of 3 tons and lifts vehicles in a couple of minutes. The product is made using heavy-duty steel material that gives it superior durability, as it does not rust or corrode even after long exposure to air and moisture. Additionally, this product features an innovative design, and therefore, it is not easy to deform it even after extended use. It alleviates all the tedious and laborious manual dismounting, as well as all the potential risks involved during traditional tire replacing and repair. It also comes with an automatic impact wrench, making it handy for emergency tire change or repair by the roadside. At number 4. Mophorn Electric Car Jack. Mophorn is one of the few best scissor jacks on the market. The product has a heavy-duty hydraulic system that makes it effortless for you to use it when lifting up to 3 tons. It takes you less than a minute to lift your wheel and remove the faulty tire with this product. Hence, it saves you a lot of time while on the road, making it a valuable investment in case of any road emergencies. It comes with a replacement that you will always love, which features all the accessories that you need when replacing or repair a tire. The package comes with a pump which features a patented bypass gadget that plays a major role in preventing inflation. It also features a super torque impact wrench which has delayed rotation technology, which offers buffer time for adapting rate of rotation. At number 5. VViViD Electric Scissors Jack Kit. This is a high-capacity scissor jack that you will always treasure, as all you need to do for it to function is connect it to your vehicle's 12 volts DC adapter. It features incredibly long-lasting steel construction. The case of this product is very stable, as it comes with a wide design. With the steel construction that this product features, it is weather-resistant and does not react with water and air. This means that the product is rust-resistant, and so it lasts for a prolonged period. Within a couple of minutes, this scissor jack will lift any car with a maximum capacity of 3 tons. For you to carry it around conveniently, this product comes with a plastic storage case that is rugged and impact resistant. Hence, it will always be compactly and well organized and stored whenever it is not in use. Apart from the bag, this scissors jack comes with other necessary accessories that will save you a lot of money, including spare fuses and 12 volts battery adapter.